Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you add links to your Instagram stories. So first of all, let's just open up our Instagram, and next we're gonna start adding a new story, and let's just select something random, for example this picture. And now you see four options on the top right, like four buttons. So you press the second one, that's like a sticker, this one, and then you move down and you see link. Press that, you add a link, and now your link is gonna be added here. And you can also add a custom text like click me, and then you press done, and you see this says click me, while actually there's a Google link in the background. And then you can just upload it. Let's give it a second to upload, and done. Press that, and it says visit link, and now you just went to Google from your Instagram story. So that's all from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.